What are you doing? Bo. Bo boy. What are you doing, bud? Huh? Howdy, folks. Oh, gosh. Alright, we haven't even been here for... Bo's throwing up. I told you to quit eating grass. Whatever. We're doing some creek fishing today, and I don't know, I haven't been down here in a while, so hopefully we're gonna see some activity, and maybe these smallmouth have started. Bo, what is wrong with you, dude? Oh my god. He's so gross. All right, well, it's flooded. Like I said, we're gonna try to do some, I don't know, we're gonna lift up some rocks, see if we can find some crawfish, and see what kind of activity is going on down here. So yeah. All right, we are gonna start off with a 1/4 ounce dill pickle micro football jig. You're scaring my fish away, man. What the heck? Well, this was a bust. Guess we're just gonna go ahead and walk back and go to the spot that I'm always at, and you guys probably get tired of seeing it, but there's always fish there, so let's go. Oh my goodness, dang, that hurt me. All right, Bo, come on. There he is. Holy crap, dang. All right, my favorite spot to fish right here, guys. I fish it in about 80% of my creek videos. And this creek is right down the road from my house, so you know, it's just easy and convenient for me to come down here. It stays pretty clear, and there's always smallmouth in this hole. Now it's a little flooded, but I think they're still going to be in here. Alrighty, so we are running the CASHION micro jig rod today, the John Cruz model, and we've got a 2500 series Stratic, and got 12-pound SX1 braid on here to 8-pound FC Sniper. So you can cast this little micro jig a mile with this setup. And all right, well, we got a rock bass. There we go. We got one fish. Bo, get out of here, man. All right, nice little rock bass. Whoop. Oh, hey. Get away from this freaking edge. Get away, get back. My goodness. If I have to freaking dig you out of the water, I'm gonna be mad. All right. Come on, Bo. Holy crap. He just came out from under that rock. Little tiny rock bass. There you go, buddy. These things are so small and aggressive. So this big rock right here, usually there's some sort of fish sitting underneath it, whether that's a rock bass or smallmouth. So we're gonna kind of finesse this little. Okay, that's something. I think it's a rock bass. I didn't know what was going on. All right, little guy, this is not what I'm looking for. I did not want a rock bass day, but I will take it. I will take it. I'm not going to complain. All right, let's see if we can get one of these big smallmouth in here. There we go. There's a bass, I think. All right. Yeah, largemouth. All right, that came on the super far side of this creek. Nice little largemouth. pretty much casting this thing as far as I can, and every time I can get it on that opposite side of the creek, there's usually a fish or two over there. So goodness gracious, he freaking smashed this thing. Another rock bass. Surprise, surprise. All right, I am on them today, folks, on the rock bass. All I want is one decent little smallmouth. Like, that's literally all I want. I did catch a largemouth though. Can't be complaining. Can't complain. I did catch a bass. Oh, there we go. Jeez. If I catch one more rock bass, I'm done. I'm done with this day. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go, buddy. All right. Seriously, if I catch one more rock bass, I'm done. I swear, if I catch a rock bass on this cast, all right, guys, well, thank you for watching this video. Had a good day out here and caught some rock bass and one largemouth, and that's gonna be it. Just kidding, I'm gonna keep fishing. All right, let's see if there's a possibility here. I'm all for trying. Oh my goodness. Well, now I'm probably stuck up here, so might as well try to catch a couple good fish. Oh my goodness. Come on. I need a smallmouth. Give me a smallmouth. Not a rock bass. I just want a smallmouth. Come on. There's gotta be a couple of, 3-pounders in here. Come on. Give me a 3-pound creek smallmouth. Come on. 1/4 ounce micro football jig. Maybe it'll stay in the current a little bit better. Okay, well, it did. First cast with it. Got me a little rock bass. It is, I'm telling you guys, this is insane. Well, it's not really insane. Like, it's not even that hard to believe this is happening, but this is just what happens every year. I start to catch rock bass before I start to catch, like, good, healthy bass in the creek. And, I think they like, or they can tolerate colder water temps too. So I think they kind of stay in these creeks through the winter and just kind of chill. But alrighty, looks like I'm about to break off a micro jig. Oh, and there she goes. All right, folks, I am done for the day. Got one largemouth and a bunch of rock bass, so guess the day wasn't a complete failure. But the creeks are starting to warm up and fish are starting to get back in them. So hopefully the next creek video we can actually get into some smallmouth. But thank you guys for watching, and till next time, bye.